Here today, the Russians are having more land. The Chinese are having more land in our country of birth, our country of existence, which we believe is the only and the last thing which we have. Russian oligarchs, basically killing out the people there in Ukraine, are valued more. Chinese are giving soft loans with conditions whereby their people need to be integrated in Namibian system. So which means the following government will be a Chinese also as well. We are going to be embraced by you, the United Nations itself. The reason why I am stipulated in referring back to what it is. Germans who have caught genocide are sitting at the European people. They are sitting at the United Nations. They are the ones still making the laws, while owning more than 55% of the arable land in this country, whereby their kids and children are enjoying the fruits of our suffering and pain. Now, today, the uprising of the Khoisans was started. Today, we are going to invite Charles Lucky Loves Mobita to see a second to filming his damn mouth and start thinking like an adult and thinking like the so-called doctorate which he have and start putting things in place for the betterment of this country. Even the plain fighters have been robbed. The people who fight it and running around in the bushes have been sidelined. Today, they have been promised 170,000 once-off lump sum. Imagine, for the past 35 years, they even didn't know their own people, which they call the liberation strugglers or fighters. They have liberated the country in Namibia and Angola, where they have been staying and having a camp. Knowing very well the plans of the whites to have a right on their camps, they refuse to remove the women and the children. Swati F was not part and parcel. Being born in Southwest Africa was not part and parcel of the day of Kasinga. Let they be honest who have been flying of being a pilot of those machine guns and aeroplanes and gunships. Whether they can have a proof by saying and calling us murderers for political gain, it become a non-sequel topic, and we are getting tired of that. Remember, war can be started by one person, and you are instigating your own people because you see your people very stupid with Master Charles Mobita. As an incomer from Zimbabwe, Zambia, I think you need to go back to help build your own country and stop these non-sequel topics which you are sitting with in the parliament. So we are pleading. Today we are humbly pleading towards you. You will see the photos. You will see our pain and suffering. We are asking your assistance so that we can take this matter to the international courts. Furthermore, analyzing the word human and the rights to the human, why it is of importance that only the white man was of importance. But today the very same person which you have been calling Kafa is of importance, and you only recognize the rights of those people. While we are having white men, we are having the Khoisan, we are having also the Wampu, which have been enslaved by the loss of the very same minority are being nothing. Why are you people trying to have a difference in the rights of the human? Why are you feeling that you are under obligation to make the laws regard to the so-called covers and the other people, while you are enriching the few to the detriment of the others? Our children are suffering. We don't have education. Now they ensure through their unwritten manifesto that our own children doesn't need education, but they are only the ones with the rights in this country. Look at their Veterans Act. The exclusion means that Namibia is exclusive for the Bambus, of the certain elite Bambus as it goes on. Now this country belongs to the Khoisa. But the Bushmen, which they have renamed by the whites so that they can have a better description of the people itself. It is an inhuman act in the first place. Secondly, the continuous funding of the SWAPOs without analysis of why the name Southwest Africa People's Organization remains, while they have requested as this assistance as OPPO. It becomes an insult to our own so-called intellectuals. Therefore, today we are requesting the Interpol, the FBI, to investigate the bank accounts of all these African ministers, especially in Namibia. We want the investigation, a full analysis of our invested monies in Sanlam, Old Mutual and Belvicia. We want your people to come up with your rightness. You are referring to us as indigenous people with our rights. We can have been self-determined under your so-called existing laws. So we want finality in this regard. We are not afraid to die today, tomorrow, or whatever time. We are sick and tired of living under a threat. And we don't want to become those being called that we hate Bambus. Bamboo people was included. We are having a CIA report in front of us, whereby 3,000 Tongas was part and parcel of 101 in Osekati, on Tangwa. Another 2,500 Guayamas was part and parcel of that. We, as peace-loving citizens of this country, Southwest Africa, are today pledged that we are going to fight to have our rights and our land back. We are sick and tired of you funding terrorism and call us the terrorist group today. We are sick and tired of United Nations who are trying to forget what their own wrongdoings. So today we are humbly putting forward 11,000 members who have passed away, their wives, their children, which come to up to 65,000 deaths, from people and children who have been eating unhealthy food, provided with something of a bowl, which we just need for the day. 36 million, which so-called was our pension money, have been provided or divided in free. But there was only 12,000 who had to be paid up. 24,000 with the excuses of non-civil issues, whereby Nujoma himself, which stands in the World Bank paper today, where he says and stated that we have been included as a Namibian Defence Force, of the National Defence Force, so that he don't want the vision. But after that, we are the only ones who are embracing the so-called reconciliation and the peace and stability in this country. It is not the doing of SWAPO. It is not the doing of United Nations, but it is the doing of the principality, the honesty, and being a true reflective warriors and soldiers that we have kept quiet. But enough is enough. From today onwards, let the ministers live by their words. If he wants war, we are out, but we are not done and dusted. We know this country better than he. We know the effects of war. We know the negativeness. We have been trained. We have been enforced to know the every existence of the warfare. but we still remain humble. Yes. But from today, 2 weeks, we are asking the Security Council, we are asking the United Nations Administrative Body, the Human Rights Council, the European Union, as they have been stated in their own letter, that they have been tasked for the reconciliation program. In 1996, they have promised to come back. We are sitting today in 2025. 36 years down the line, we have become nothing. And we are going to prove to our kids that we are still human beings, made by God. And the Christianity which we live from these mercenaries from Europe are engraved in our hearts. And we are proud of what we are, of who we are. But we are not proud of the circumstances under which our children have lived. Our own kid becomes 60 years old in our houses, without any opportunity to create a platform where the socio-economic status of their own kids are going to be living. Better schooling, while the so-called elite groups are laughing at us, stealing the resources of our land. Now we are having enough of that. Thank you very much, honorable members of all the societies in the world. My name is Willem Bekes. I would like to add on the speech which we have delivered last time. The reason for the adding is to make clear cut our reasons of this, what we are going to call a dispute regards to our land ownership, which have been granted by the United Nations to the SWAPO. What we are going to say today will determine the outcome of your assistance regards to our plight for us to take this matter to the International Court of Justice. I will just show you some of the pictures which have been sent out, which have been co-signed by the world itself regards to the so-called peaceful integration of SWAPO in the political sphere. Before the independence of our country and since the World War II, whereby the Germans have committed genocide against the Herero and the Nama people and the Khoisan, the San people included. We have been under the administration of the so-called League of Nations, spearheaded by Britain, Americas, and all the other European countries. Due to these circumstances whereby they have complained about the acts of aggression, act of discrimination, act of apartheid against the white minority rulers who have been mandated by the League of Nations, today called the United Nations, have forgotten one simple aspect of this matter. While being the leaders of the administration of Southwest Africa, they have been part and parcel and remain part and parcel of all the atrocities done and committed against our people, who are the Hereros, the Damara speaking people, the Khalats, and the San people and the Nama people. In all regards to that fact that they want to distinguish between the ruler, which is the white man, of who are the white men who have been mandated, who have been given the mandate by the United Nations to rule over us with the weapon in the hand, in one hand, in some circumstances with a Bible in the other hand, to enforce their laws and their beliefs upon our people. Today, as Christians, we are sitting and wondering what should we do to be here. We are trying to take matters to this court, which are very much compromised. We are only acting on behalf of the ruling party. We have been voting to see changes, but the Supreme Court has remained voting for the ruling party, and the ruling party remains in charge. Threats are being made Okay.